What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you playing? Huh? It's a bucket? Is it a bucket or a basket? Here, let me hold it. Let me hold it. Go get it. We're going to have to put it up for you. Make a basket.
No, it does.
Where are you going? You're going to play cars?
Yes.
Did you get new cars?
Uh-huh.
Where'd the cars come from?
You right there. You drive. You go drive.
Huh?
You go drive.
You gonna drive? Yeah.
Go bicycle.
A motorcycle?
I'm gonna like my heel.
Did you read a story at school today?
Yes.
What was the story about?
It's been nice. It's been nice.
It was about what?
A little bit. You left out. Daddy. On the head.
What was the story about at school?
Ingles is hungry running.
What?
Ingle and he's hungry running.
Doug?
No, I'm not talking.
You're not talking? Why? Are you being shy? Who'd the box come from?
Right there, the box.
Yeah. Who sent the box in the mail?
You open.
Grammy and Grampy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.